Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of the Ramadan Daily. I'm quitting like saying what day it is because I honestly stopped losing, or no, it's day 8 for us, but it's day 9 by the time they're watching. But who knows if I'm posting this tomorrow, I might post another video. But anyways, today I'm joined with Sara once again.
I feel like I'm always in the intros.
I know.
Like I'm always
literally. But we are on our way to downtown. There is this exciting event with YouTube called YouTube Pulse, and they asked me to join to be a part of one of their activations. It's like the fashionista activation type of thing, so I'm excited for it. We're going a little early. Call time isn't till 3:30, but we want to go a little early just so we can take a couple shots outside, because it's like right on the pier. It's like on Polson Street, so it's really pretty there. I was supposed to leave like 25 minutes ago, but whatever. I think we can get at least a couple shots in. So that is what we're doing today. Sara's coming over for iftar afterwards as well, and she's sleeping over. You haven't slept over in like a minute.
It's been a long time.
Like, it's been a long time. I don't even remember.
The last time I slept over is when I borrowed your clothes.
Oh yeah.
And then I brought it
that
back.
Was like, oh, you brought it back today? Oh. I forgot about those pants. But yeah, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat. We were initially gonna do a Popeyes mukbang, but
you're not trying to die?
Yeah, after just thinking about it, like, it sounds really good while you're fasting, and then after you break your fast, you're like, I really don't want Popeyes. So we're gonna just, I don't know what we're gonna do tonight, what I'm gonna eat, but I want to cook something, and then we'll just see how the day goes. But I'm really excited to bring you guys along. I'm really excited for this event. I put on some new press-on nails. These are white. Oh, is he here? Oh shoot. Okay, our Uber's here. But yeah, press-on nails, Kiss products or whatever. These are like white holographic ones. They're super pretty. See you later. Okay, so we got to the pier. The event is actually like right over there, but look how beautiful this is. This is Polson Pier on Polson Street in Toronto, and this view is amazing. It looks so sick. We got Sarah Lee with the wind breezing through her hijab, looking so effortless. It's so beautiful.
Oh, is this parking lot closed?
What?
This parking.
Yeah. Okay, we are on our way to the event now, which is literally right there. It's at the Rebel nightclub. It's not a nightclub event, it just happens to be there because I guess they have a pretty venue. But I'm about to go in, and then we shall see what this day has in store. Okay, so we just got inside the event, and I believe my face is on one of these. Oh my god, I see me! That's so cool! There's like, oh my god, Superwoman's here! And look, it's me! That's so dope!
Please welcome back to the stage, Sabrina Jeremiah.
That's so cool! It's me among all of these people. Super cool. I love it. This is what the event is gonna look like. And I think my activation is somewhere upstairs, so I think we're going there now. Ooh, the lighting's really nice in here.
Come here. What? Your pants are tucked into your boots.
Oh, are they? Oops. Thank you. Okay.
All the advertisers will be downstairs for Pulse.
Okay.
And you can go down there as well and like sit and watch all the
Cool.
talking series and all of that.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, everyone will come up here while they're like resetting downstairs for music.
Okay. Oh, I see one of my videos. Look, Shahd, it's you. That's so cool.
There you are.
Oh, there I am.
But basically, these will like light up on
This
the
is so
inside.
cool. Oh my god, that is sick. It's our video playing. This is so cool.
This is so sick.
I know, wow, the lighting is actually so good everywhere here. They chose a good venue.
Oh my god, what's that?
Oh, that's sick.
In there, I think you literally...
Guys, they turn the lights on. Yeah, I think that's a Velcro. Oh, no. I think we just keep that in so that people can take photos by themselves.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is sick. This room was made for vain people. I love it. Okay, so we got an outdoor venue as well. This is for the Sorry girls. Is this Cabana?
Yep.
Oh, I've never been here. Oh, is this where YouTube music is gonna be happening?
Yes.
Oh, the entire thing is rented out?
Yes.
That's so cool.
Yeah. So
Oh,
right
wow.
now,
Nice, I've never actually seen this place. Ooh, look at this. This is so cool. Oh my god, it's like a pink. Yeah. That's so sick. This is for the Sorry girls. If you guys don't know them, they do like DIYs and stuff. It's super cool. So this is the other activation. They got a cool view. Look at this. My god. Guys, look how sick this room is. I know I already showed you, but watch. You can do red. You can do, I mean, we just did green. But then you could do blue. Ooh. You could do yellow. You could do purple. I like the purple. And then cyan. I don't know what that is. Ooh. This is cool.
I like this.
This is
Guys, I
like,
feel like we're in a music video.
I know, literally. You know those like those Vogue like things that they have at events, and they like walk and they do those cool like yeah, that would have been cool to do if they had that here instead of this.
Cute.
That would have been a sick activation, but I'm feeling this color. Ooh.
Yeah.
Look at her skin.
This is cool.
Let's see, red. Ooh, the
It's
red.
like hurting my eyes when it like transitions. That
This
was
is
so
so
weird.
sick. Okay.
Do the white like.
Do they have? Oh, they do have white.
Regular.
Ooh, okay.
This is sick.
It's nice. Okay, so we can actually see ourselves in this lighting.
I know, right?
This is such a cool event. Let's take a photo for the thumbnail.
Okay.
So we just spent our entire time just taking a bunch of photos and they turned out sick.
So nice.
Like the view outside is beautiful. We should go out there right before golden hour.
Yes.
Yeah, like after this whole thing's done.
Yeah.
But yeah, so far, I mean, we're just kind of like chilling here, and I'll show you guys where we're sitting.
Guys,
We're sitting.
really do come true. VIP
Ooh, that's cool.
OMG, cute, sorry, and yes, yes, yeah, yeah.
It's not that serious of a breakdown.
Oh, it's me.
Everybody get your I'm a shorty and she doesn't want to so I've been people what you bring to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for.
This is so cool.
Honoring Humboldt Broncos by wearing a jersey.
Back to the tutorial.
That's dope.
The world is constantly influencing you because the things you see, the things you hear, and so that's what we want to touch on with the science of influence. So the first thing we have to look at is our evolutionary biology.
So great to be back home in my hometown, Toronto, best city in the world. And yes, cheer for yourselves, yes. Good job. Congrats. And on the stage here at YouTube Pulse. Now, I may have met some of you before at YouTube events, and some of you may recognize me as the very loud girl on YouTube. But for those of you that don't know me, hi! My name is Lilly Singh, and YouTube invited me here because I know just a little bit about cultivating an audience.
Okay, so the show is over. Everyone is gonna be making their way down, or up here actually. That was really cool. I didn't know that Lilly was gonna like actually host that part, but now I can go to the little booth that they prepared for me and just kind of like interact with the advertisers, take some photos, chat about YouTube stuff, and it should be fun. How'd you enjoy that?
That was so cool. I did not expect Lilly to come out, so I was like, oh my god. Everyone's like chill.
I know, right?
Nobody laughed at our jokes, but I was laughing.
We were laughing. We were laughing extra hard.
Yeah, we were like,
So we're hanging outside now. I always see people like at Cabana Pool Bar in Toronto. Never thought I'd be here because it's like a clubbing type of thing, but here we are. Oh my god, during the event they like open it up. Yeah, I don't know, it's very chill. It's just kind of like showing off YouTube music stuff, I guess, or whatnot. But the food, guys, this is honestly a test. The food here smells so good. It looks like it tastes gourmet AF. Like we are just, look at Sada's face, just longing. We are longing for this food. Oh my god. Guys, you know how much I talk about the food when I go to events, okay? I'm always like, where the hell's the food? And the one event that is during Ramadan has the best food ever.
tell them about Daniel Caesar.
Oh yeah, and Daniel Caesar's gonna be here. So basically for the YouTube music event, it's like a concert, and I was like, I was already saying like I'm not gonna go, it's during Ramadan, like whatever, we're not gonna go. And then today she's like, oh by the way, Daniel Caesar's coming, and I was like, no! We're missing Daniel Caesar. You guys know how much I love him. She loves him too.
And Jesse Reyes.
And Jesse Reyes, my brother loves him.
And apparently this is a surprise. Watch Drake come out.
If Drake comes out, khalas. But it's so good. It's all good. It's Ramadan, so you know, we gotta behave. So it's pretty much golden hour, and it is just beautiful outside right now. But take a look at this view, y'all. Look at this gorgeous view. Oh my god, it is stunning. So guys, we're on our way home. We are not staying for the YouTube music thing, but I'm taking off the nails now because I just want to take them off, but they're like super glued. Oh my god, they're like so hard to get off right now.
That's normally I know they're good quality.
I know,
though.
But they're like really, like if you guys ever question these, like they stay on.
Let me feel it.
Like they stay on. The only thing
like
is,
they're real nails.
I wash my hand a lot, so like if you wash your hand a lot, like the glue will become loose. Not the glue, but the sticker. So right now it's kind of hard because I haven't washed my hands. Actually, I did. I guess not.
Are they reusable?
I mean, you could probably try, but I wouldn't.
Oh, true.
I'm just peeling them off like a ratchet.
Ew, now you have one nail missing.
If you ever wondered, all I do is just like press on the edge of it like this, and then it comes right off. So we're gonna make it back home right on time for a car today.
I don't know if you guys can see, like, the sun's literally, I don't even know where the sun is, but, oh, true. It's about to set, wherever it is.
Oh wait, where? Cloudy.
But yeah, we'll see you guys at home with Aysha and no nails. Bye for now.
It's finally iftar time. You guys don't understand. At that event we were at, it was like the biggest test ever. All the best food, the best smells, everything free.
They have cake?
Where? They had everything, everything you could possibly dream of. They had there.
They had vegan sliders, and she's like, "Do you want some?" And we're like,
they'd bring it up. They'd bring it up to your face like this. Would you like any? Would you like, no.
They have them on little napkins.
From now on, take
so now we can eat. It's not as glamorous as the food that we just saw, but listen, it's still just as good. Ooh, and we got the food from yesterday.
They have the grill marks.
So good. Good Friday morning, guys. I just wanted to end off the vlog from yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed kind of just following me around. I guess I'm gonna call this like a day in my life as a YouTuber or something like that. It's really nice like being able to go to all of these events and kind of experience things, but it's all because of you guys, and I really appreciate you guys so much, and I hope that comes across in my videos. I know I kind of have morning voice, so don't mind that. I'm gonna end off this video with a giveaway today, and this one's quite exciting. This is probably the biggest giveaway I've had so far. But I am saving a lot of huge surprises for like the days closer to Eid. So just keep coming back. The giveaways are only gonna get better. So yeah, today's giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away the entire MAC and Nico Panda collection. I think just excluding like 1 or 2 products, but it's a one in like this limited edition packaging. Super cute. I will show you actually. I'll show you what one of the lipsticks look like, the one that I decided to keep. Or actually, I guess I decided to keep a couple, but this is what they look like. They're super cute, and there's also like eyeshadows, there's lip glosses, there are like cheek colors, stuff like that. So this collection is quite big. I will have a picture of it like right over here if you guys want to check it out. Everything's like packaged all nicely in here, so I don't really feel like taking it out. And then there's like this cute little sticker thing. So if any of you guys have little siblings or cousins, then you can give them this as well. So it could be like a cute little Eid gift for a child. But then again, all the makeup is in there. So if you guys want to win this collection, it's going to be the exact same giveaway rules as before. So you got to be subscribed to my channel, you have to like this video, and you have to follow me on Instagram. And a lot of people have been saying they don't have Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, fine, just leave a way for me to contact you that is not YouTube Messenger, because the YouTube Messenger like my messages never get read or even sent, I guess. So just leave me another way to contact you, whether that's a Twitter, a Facebook, or like an email or something if you're comfortable leaving that. And then just leave a comment down below. Any comment about the video, it doesn't really matter, or about whatever you want, and just include your Instagram handle in there, and then so that I could check you're following me and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I love you. Bye.